last part. Buyers love listings with videos. Some people put the same video on all of theirs. I mean, it depends on how busy I am that day. If I'm just rushing to put stuff on there, I try to do different ones for different products, or maybe a sticker video. If I add 10 stickers, I'll have them all on that video. But let's see what I want to do. Okay, so let's go back. It needs to be, I think it's 7. Is it 7? I think it's 7. It's not there. It's not there on when if you make a mistake. Oh no, let's just make it. I wonder if it's saved. I want to say 750, but I'm not sure, so let's just guess. Okay, so I'm going to resize it. Let's put this crap in there. I'm just going to add a couple pages to make my video. I'm going to upload them right from my desktop. Okay, I'm just going to add them in here. I don't like that one. I'm not using that one. Alright, let's add some more pages. You don't need a lot of stuff. You just gotta make that 15. I think it's only 15 seconds. Oh no. Okay, so let's. Sorry, animate this. Is that 5, 10, 15? Oh, there's too many. I gotta make some of these. Okay, animate. Pop base blocker. You just make it look cute, different than other people. I just like mine to stand out more. If you have Canva Pro, you can use these with the stars on it, but if not, they have a lot of free versions. If you're doing t-shirts, I would do none because you want your markups to be okay. See, these are the free ones. I like the stomp and scrapbook. That one likes to get your attention, but it's not too much. But you want to give people something to look at, so I'm changing this because this is 5 seconds. I think that's too long. I like to do 2, but you can pick whatever you want. But I think it can't be more than 15. Okay, so let's change this to 2 also and press play and see what the video looks like. And this is a video that I'm going to add to my Etsy shop now. So let's save it. MP3, all pages, 11 seconds, that's good. Let's download that. Okay, that's good to go. Let's go to Etsy. Let's add the video. And the video is on Etsy, and my listing is completed. Okay, so let's. Oh God, I can't even see it. Where's save it? Come on. Can I reach? Trying to. It looks like the camera is right where. Come on. Oh, you could do a check, but I never really do checks. It found 9 of them. What did it find? Brown, black, magic. This is Merchant Foreman. Personal year, hop, surface, brown, black, case, magic. Not sure if you use Merchant Foreman, but that helps you. Okay. Bye-bye.